Do you want to have your website up and running in less than 30 minutes? It is possible, and in fact, very easy. By using the website builders included in our Zacky script installer, you'll be able to create and set up your website faster than you've ever expected. These scripts will save you a lot of time and will turn the whole website setup process into an entertaining experience. Now, for this purpose, we have made the 3 major website builders available for use via the Zacky script installer: Basic Pages, Soho Launch, and Concrete 5. All these site builders have 3 things in common. They are created for users who cannot code. They provide great flexibility and are very easy to use. And of course, if you have the knowledge, you can always go through the code and change some fragments of it. That's why these website builders can be used to create even some powerful and very complex websites with advanced functionality, beautiful design, and much more. For example, Soho Launch is a perfect builder for creating business type of websites because it implements useful business tools such as shopping carts, newsletters, and login forms. The opportunities are literally unlimited, and if you want to start building your presence online, now is the best time to explore all the features of the website builder we offer. Join us today.